when we sort of started looking at the industry and the industry started talking to us, the bee products were such a low value. And there was a Coriolis, which is a marketing company, they did a study and they just showed that Australia was literally right at the bottom. We had New Zealand just screaming ahead, we even had China screaming ahead, and we were just sitting nowhere. We had done nothing for the last 5 years in terms of adding value to our products. The whole big driver that we worked on was actually to bring value to the honeybee industry. I think now we've got so many small businesses that have started up, and the value proposition is really about looking for our monoflorals. We've got strong, potent honeys full of bioactives. They do crystallize because we've got a lot of pollen in them. The pollen actually adds more antioxidants into the honey. So we have a very health-promoting honey, which is not what it's sort of thought about as in Europe. So we've got a completely different platform from which we had to go, and we had to realise that we were different. Think about, in Australia, because of all our huge eucalypt diversity and banksias and melaleucas, it doesn't matter what you name, is that we just have such a unique proposition that nobody else really has. So I think we have been ignoring something that's just fabulous. It's sitting there. If you look at Australia in terms of any other country in the world, you would actually say we've got the healthiest bees in the world. We really have. We've had exponential growth. I mean, literally when we started, even in WA, we had about 2,500 beekeepers. We've now got over 4,000, we're hitting 4,200. We're up to 62 businesses here now that are doing honeybee products. So, it's booming. It's absolutely booming. If we hadn't had the CRC program support, or Oz industry support, there's no ways we could have been doing and supporting as many researchers as we have been doing to get this boom of new activity.